4 time frames, 1 zone, 1 score. This is intraday MTF SR zones. Here's exactly how to read it, how to trade it, and how to set it up. Intraday MTF SR zones builds the session's support and resistance from real pivot structure on 4. Here's how to read intraday MTF SR zones on a live chart. Pivot structure from 4 time frames, fused and graded 0 to 10. First, the pivot core. Every zone descends from a confirmed swing pivot, never a moving average or a projected line. Second, 4 time frame stacking, M30, H1, H2, and H4 each scan independently. Every zone is labeled with the exact time frame set that made it. Third, confluence merge. Overlapping same-side zones fuse into one zone tagged with a diamond and every time frame involved. Fourth, strength 0 to 10. Time frame rank, confluence, rejection, wick, and pivot prominence blend into farming to a light. Fifth, live dashboard, strongest zone, nearest resistance and support, price position and room in ATR. And the panel in the corner keeps the context in front of you. Strongest, nearest res, nearest sup, room, and session. 4 time frame. Stacking M30, H1, H2, and H4 scan independently, then live on one coherent ladder. So how do you actually trade intraday MTF SR zones? It comes down to 4 steps. First, rank. Find the highest graded or confluence zone, ignore the weak ones. Second, wait. Let price travel back. Eye into that zone, don't chase mid-range. Third, confirm. Enter on the reaction. Stop on the far side of the band. Fourth, target. The next opposing zone, a broken zone, flips roll, so trade the retest. Keep the rules on the right of the slide in view, react at the zone, or trade the break. Stop is far side of band, and exit is next graded zone. Strength, 0 to 10. Graded forming to elite, so the chart filters itself. Last piece, the dashboard and the settings. The panel answers the questions you actually ask. A levels tool, strongest, nearest res, nearest soup, room, and session. Every value there is a live readout, not a forecast. On the settings side, the ones that matter are time frame levels, pivot core, session handling, zone shape, confluence merge, and strength engine 0 to 10. Leave the rest on defaults until you know why you're changing them. Here's intraday MTF SR zones in practice. Find the strongest zone and ignore the weak ones. So here's everything intraday MTF SR zones gives you at a glance. First, pivot core confirms swings. Second, 4 time frame stacking. Third, confluence merge diamond. Fourth, 0 to 10 strength engine. Fifth, session engine plus auto cleanup. Sixth, strength graded shading. Seventh, live MTF dashboard. And finally, non-repainting plus alerts. Every one of those is on the chart the moment you add it, with nothing to configure to get started. The grade is a descriptive conviction ranking for which zone deserves your attention, not a back-tested win rate. Higher time frame data is requested with look-ahead disabled and zones only spawn on confirmed bars, so a level appears after its confirmation delay and then never repaints. It's free on TradingView. The link is in the description below. Subscribe for the rest of the toolkit.